Okay, here we are, once again, after however long it's actually been that we made an actual, well, this isn't an actual video. This is just us talking to a camera on a computer, because it's 12:21 in the morning, and, you know him, I don't know, he's like got this weird fetish for his face to be on camera. Or something. Like,
doing the eyebrow lick.
it's weird, but like
5 stars if you like the eyebrow licking.
they don't. And if they do, they got problems.
I like problems.
You only think you do because you don't have any.
That's bull. I have a shit ton of problems.
I kind of like when it pulls.
Don't.
Got like a shit ton of hair right
I
there.
don't care.
Ass?
Beep.
Okay, that was kind of random. But then again, fuck. Focus. Alright.
He dropped the F-bomb out of the naughty plane.
Yeah!
He's gonna hit me now. What?
Vagina.
Oh, okay.
It's an answer to life right there. I probably just pissed like half the people who watch this off. Whatever.
Dude, we have like 8 viewers. Who cares?
Yeah, I know. 4 people. I pissed 4 people off. Whatever.
It's like everybody off.
Yeah,
Thinking.
you're like one video you did. You started a like freaking war.
I try.
Like,
Speaking of try.
I'll like put a link maybe. Maybe I'll just talk about it, I don't know. But his Italian rap pissed so many people off. If you look at the comments on it, they hate it.
It's actually really funny.
No, it's not. Like, well, the video.
That it pissed so many people off. It's hilarious.
The video is retarded.
Yeah, it was. Like,
But-
we were up for 2 days straight, and it's just. It was dumb.
But the video itself was retarded, but the comments, it's just. I guess you can't really talk, but who wastes their time doing that? Hating, doing that.
Only 9.
I'm gonna voice my opinion in a comment so that it can be read by everyone because I think I'm that cool.
Only 90% of the people in the world
You mean? Well, not everyone even is on YouTube, so
that is on YouTube.
yeah, people. Who cares what your opinion is? People are
Not me.
People are self-centered people who don't want to hear about your problems. That sounded really mean, but I speak the truth. Fuck you. I mean, I shouldn't say everyone's that way. I mean, hell, I don't care what you comment on this.
Or if.
Yeah,
Comments.
if you comment,
Half a face.
if you comment, great. Make it a fun one. We can start a conversation. We'll be like, wait, what's up? You'll be like, what's up? And I'll be like, rawr. And then you'll be like, bananas. And I'll be like, what the fuck up? And then I beat you in the face with a hammer. Or we just beat him.
Hey.
Or Talon.
Yes.
Talon!
BBB.
Or Corey.
Because those 3 B's matter so much.
I don't know. Like, his middle name's not even start with B's, and his last name actually starts with B. But other than that, what's with the B's? It's like a triple B cup or something?
He wishes.
Shut up, dog. Like chewing on a Sprite bottle, I think.
Your dog's not smart.
Yeah, my dog's kind of retarded. Getting a second dog that I swear is gonna beat the fuck out of her.
I can't wait.
One dog, first dog got. Actually, I have 3 dogs. First dog is like ancient. It's like almost as old as I am.
If not older.
No, she's younger. But she's tiny. It's a miniature dachshund. Blind. Got cataracts.
Deaf.
For the most part deaf, and like her nails haven't been cut in forever, and they're just one of them broke off the other day and bleeding all over. And I never. That's at my dad's house, which my mom is like a Nazi for me going over to my dad's house or something. But
She's against fun.
yeah, sure. But
PC.
no, don't even get off topic. But that dog's name's that's Katie. She's crazy as fuck. She's only other animal she likes at this point is a cat, which kind of goes against all dog and cat rules. Whatever. Second dog, Birdie. Bird. Hey, Bird. Hey, Bird. Come here. Come on. Come on. Bitch, come on. Bitch, come on.
Come on, Bird.
Fuck you.
Okay, she's not wanting to come over here. Bird.
Let's see if... Oh, she moved. You are... No, now she's back. You saw her. There you go.
She likes to run away.
Whatever.
Don't run from your problems, man.
And now getting... And now getting our third dog, who's actually very tamed and everything because it's my mom's new fiance's dog. Yay, I get a stepfather and a stepbrother. That'll be fun. You know what I drink? It's pretty much your time to talk.
Okay, so yeah, what's new with me? Nothing! I have no life! Yeah. Actually, we went over to, Talen's house last night.
Yay!
We kind of stole his phone, there went PC,
Oh,
and his wallet. And I ditched them.
So,
all night. It was awesome.
So, last night, the time from December 31st to January 1st, like the whole 48 hours. That's like a holiday for me and him. It's like official torment the hell out of Taylor Berard. I don't know if I should say his last name, but I said it.
Who cares? It's BBB.
Whatever. And we did a lot of things. I don't know if he'll watch this video, but if he does, whatever. If he doesn't, I don't care.
Yeah, either way.
First thing we did, he, for Christmas, got a new iTouch, and, what we did is, he, put a pin on it, like, to lock it, so no one can get in, and, he didn't realize it for, like, a couple hours, and then when he did, he flipped out. He came in yelling at me and him, "Who put a lock on it?" And then we even went upstairs to his dad and asked him about it. But, then, like he said, stop spacing. Took, took his phone and his wallet and hid them. And then here's another part that he really is kind of didn't really get because he doesn't really know it was us. We have like a minute left because like videos can only be like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So I have to say this quick. We had a friend, or one of my friends, actually like start calling him. He doesn't have their number, and a person started calling him and started harassing him through the phone, which was actually really fun. Then the person had to go, so kind of couldn't do it anymore. So, kind of was sad. I could have got Georgia Kid to do it.
Oh well.
Damn! Georgia Kid, no!
It's time to go!
Fuck! Fuck!